Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use AI-powered tools in Power BI to automatically explain your data. Specifically, I'll guide you through using the brand new Narrative feature previously known as Smart Narrative. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add dynamic, data-driven explanations directly to your reports, making your dashboards not just visually appealing, but super informative for anyone who views them. So let's dive straight in. Imagine you're already working with a Power BI report. On my screen, I have a bar chart and a pie chart, but keep in mind this will work with whichever visualization you have: columns, lines, or even maps. Now, you might be presenting this report to stakeholders who don't have time to interpret all the visual details for themselves. This is where AI summaries come in handy. All you need to do is right-click directly on your bar chart, pie chart, or whatever visual you want to analyze. When you right-click, a context menu should appear. Now look for the Summarize option and give that a click. This is where Power BI's AI kicks in. If your workspace is connected to Copilot, you'll actually see options to use Copilot templates or go custom. In my demo setup, I don't have Copilot attached, so I'll show you how it works with the custom option, which is available to everyone. Once you click Custom, you'll see Power BI immediately analyze your chart and generate a plain language summary of the most important trends or insights. This doesn't just save you time. It helps bridge the gap if you're ever prepping a report for people who aren't familiar with the numbers. For example, instead of each person having to guess why sales might spike in Q3, Power BI will simply write it out in everyday language. Now let's unlock even more value by inserting an AI-generated narrative directly into the report. At the top of Power BI, head over to the Insert tab. Once you're there, look for the Narrative button. It might still be labeled as Smart Narrative if you're on an older version, but from 2025 onwards, it's simply called Narrative. Click that and you'll be prompted again to select your summary type. Just like before, go with Custom if you don't have Copilot. What happens next is really powerful. Power BI scans all the visuals on the current page and creates a dynamic text box. You'll see a concise, easy-to-read explanation that updates automatically as your data changes. So let's say you filter your report by year, region, or product category. The narrative will instantly rewrite itself to reflect the new numbers or trends without any extra effort from you. Think of it as having a built-in data analyst that's always ready to explain what's going on. How cool is that? Take a moment to read through the generated text. Don't worry if it sounds a bit too technical or you want to emphasize a particular point. You can always tweak the narrative manually. This flexibility means you're in control, but the heavy lifting is already done for you. So that's it, using AI in Power BI to generate smart, dynamic narratives that make your dashboards come alive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more Power BI tips. Got any questions or want to share how you're using the narrative feature? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.